and all those things. And what is your comment about media or responsibility of media? What do you think is the responsibility of media?
I don't think anything about the responsibility of media. I think that what is most important is my responsibility towards myself. Media is not your friend. Media is not your uncle, aunt, brother, sister, daughter. Media is doing their business. Media will write what sells. It is your responsibility to be careful and speak. Have you seen Mr. Bachchan speaking? Have you seen me speaking? I to say everything and then I say, shit, I shouldn't have said that. Because I suddenly open up and suddenly think they are my friend. No. So this is what one has to learn. They are doing their business. They are doing their job. It will not sell if I say nice things and if they write nice things about me. If they say something not nice, people will read it. So that's what they are looking for. And it's my business. It's my responsibility, my job not to give it to them. But Neena Gupta gives it sometimes. I become better with the time, but still I make mistakes.
Did marriage stabilize you? Did belonging to one man, having that strong connect of being with each other, come what may, that thing which comes with marriage, did that mellow you down in some ways, make you stronger?
A little bit, but not much because my marriage is a very different kind of marriage. So number one, we don't live together. We live in different cities. Number two, there are some other problems because he was earlier married and things like that. So I say I'm half married. So the stability is also half. Nothing is complete. I think nobody gets a completion in their lives. So my life otherwise is very full, but this part is a little half. I don't know a better word to use, but it does give me stability and but not fully.
So why is marriage so important, and why in your past 50 stage, do you think, past 40 stage, I would say, do you think more than living together, marriage makes a sense? You said that in one of the interviews. Do you still think so? Do we require marriage? Is it falling apart in society? Like youngsters are concerned about not wanting to get married today?
Yeah, but there is no alternative, no? The only alternative is that you live together and anybody can walk out anytime. Sometimes I feel that when you are bound, you tend to adjust more. If I know that uh, I can walk out anytime, I will not suffer. I will not adjust to many things. Sometimes I feel marriage is good because it is so difficult to get out of it that you try and adjust because it is a game of adjustment. I lived with my father for a long time, for many years. We used to fight. We used to hate each other sometimes, but we had this relationship of father and daughter. So it's not that I got up and say, I'm not living with you. So I am also a little confused for this answering this question because sometimes I feel marriage is very important, but now I feel when women have started to earn, then it is becoming difficult because they will not take any shit from the man if they are earning. And that is the problem now. That's why the youngsters are not being able to live together because women are earning. So things will change, but it will take a long time and I don't know what will happen.
It's beautiful to talk about these things to you, and I really thank technology and for people to work with that. This whole thing conversation worked out. I'm just going to move into 10 quick questions. You just got to tell me the first word or the sentence which comes to your mind as soon as I say this. Co-actor comfort. Who's the first person who comes to your mind?
Kamaljeet.
Kanwaljit. Yes. क्यों होता है प्यार?
Forgotten.
It is also your works, one of your works title, right? One of your projects. Lovely. I've been seeing how you've been naming your projects and the subjects you've been handling. Says so much about you. A lady's speciality. One lady's speciality.
The lady special?
Yeah. Ah, okay.
This
Your
is silly
project
idea.
again. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mumbai film industry.
Tough.
Tamil film industry.
Disciplined.
Chennai means?
Madras. They will kill me.
No, it's fine. Many of us still, we are stuck. Like when I saw Kandan, it was Madras, okay? It wasn't Chennai
No,
then.
no, no. Also, saris.
Saris. Do you like Kanchipuram saris?
Very much. Very
Okay.
much.
Super. We should remember that. In our film club, we have somebody who owns a store in Kanchipuram. I'm going to tell him that. A dashing man. So,
Oh, wow.
so I'm
Okay.
going to, yes. And, okay. Life is
Beautiful.
the biggest recognition you seek.
Respect.
Worst nightmare you have.
About my daughter.
Good actor must be.
Humble.
Lovely. So those were 10 questions we wanted you to just see, because you're such a effervescent woman. And this, again, I tell you, the dichotomy of you, of being this effervescent side, at the same time, you run very deep. So that combination. So it is interesting to have long, thoughtful sentences and these quick replies also. We have some questions from our members. Sujata wanted to ask about, the latest word in Mumbai, about the Mumbai film industry, nepotism, and your experience with it. I didn't want to call it that, but then yes, how is the Mumbai film industry in terms of holding on to it?
I don't believe in nepotism and all. There are so many people who have had no godfathers like me. I didn't know anybody, but one is people have done very well. And there are so many people who are, whose fathers and mothers are very big in their fields, but they have done nothing. So I feel it's like rich and poor. I am privileged that I am not poor. But that doesn't mean that the poor man or poor woman cannot come up. So God has given some privileges to some people, but then you have to work hard. If a great actor's son or daughter is not good, she will not get work. So I don't believe in all these things, really.
Super. Thank you. So somebody else, Sujata Mundra again wanted to know, she's right there, but on her behalf, I'm asking you, favorite films, old and new?
Guide. Old is Guide and new is Badhai Ho.
Okay, super. And your favorite hero?
It used to be Devanand at one time.
Okay, good choice.
Yeah.
And so does that define something about your choice in women, in men?
Say it again.
So you said Devanand. So does that say something about your choice in men? Would you like to elaborate on that? What are the kind of men you find interesting? I mean, with a 60-year-old woman like you, I have to ask this.
I like sense of humor in a man, and of course good looks, who would not like. But I don't know. Because I don't know. Maybe like my father.
Okay, that's so nice. I think almost all women admire something about the father.
Because I'll tell you something. It is, we all women, I feel, want somebody to love us and give more affection to us. And for them, we should be the priority. This happens only with your father. Okay? Okay? With your husband or boyfriend, it doesn't happen all your life. It happens in the beginning, but it doesn't. So, I don't know. Actually, I feel I am very tired. I feel I don't need a man also sometimes.
And yeah, so I remember this, one of your responses, they said, what else is better than sex? And you said, everything else. Why such a statement from a woman
No,
like
no,
you was my question.
I think I said Rajma Chawal or something.
Yeah, Rajma Chawal is better than, I think many of us are not going to agree to that. At least I see Sujata there laughing. And not after your Kujli thing yesterday.
Yeah.
But you were speaking about fathers, and this brings me to another question by Anu, which was something you answered. Anu Agarwal had said, marry, don't marry, that struggle of young people. And you were speaking about father. So what happens in single parenthood? And you have spoken about missing, missing the spouse. So tell us a little about that. So they start missing the father figure. How do we handle that when that does happen sometimes?
Well, it is the best thing is to have both the father and mother for a child. But if it can't happen, then the one person has to take the role of both the parents and work extra hard because you have to earn also, you have to spend time with your children also. So basically you have to let go of some luxuries or comforts in your life and just you have to do double the work and you have to be very strong to do that. And this is one part about you. The other part is for the child, because sometimes the child might have some complexes due to that, missing one parent. So it is not a very ideal situation, but then you don't always have ideal situations. So you have to work harder. That's it.
Okay. Thanks. I mean, I can see in the chat section, number of people commenting that your answers are really endearing. And so the next one, Anu Agarwal had asked, how do you want to be remembered? You kind of touched on that when you said about recognition, but can you elaborate on that? How do you want to be remembered?
Good soul. So Rajiv Anand was taking Rajiv Massan was taking my interview, and I don't know from where I said, when I die, so the headline will be the unwed mother dies or something. I said, whatever I may do, that will come. So I hope that doesn't happen. I've said it enough times, so maybe people won't write it.
I don't know. I feel like kissing you then when you said that. We're going to remember you for more than that.
Yeah, I hope so. Yeah.
So much to you. So the other thing is most challenging work with which co-actor was it most challenging to work with? Girija had asked about it.
Challenging actor. Challenging in a good way or a bad way?
So I would say I would take it as a good way. We are in times where we have to look at everything with positivity.
Yeah.
Who pushed you to do better? There's a healthy competition.
I think Nasir.
Superb. Okay. One more dashing man many of us admire, I think, on screen. So, I think one of our very interesting 84-year-old members who belongs both to the Duchess Club as well as to Cinema Rendezvous, who actually was exposed to only certain kind of cinema, but who came into Cinema Rendezvous, and I could just see she started going to international film festivals, seeing films there and writing reviews. Everyone will know whom I'm talking about, Sarva Mangla. She wanted to know this boldness of yours. Was it there, a streak right from childhood, or did it come with your experience? Did it develop over the years with experience?
I was never bold. I'm still not bold, I feel. My honesty is taken as boldness because people are not very honest about talking about themselves. They want to hide. I was not bold ever. I was a coward. I'm still a coward sometimes. I feel my mother used to send me to get milk when I was small in Delhi. So there was this buffalo used to come, and there was this guy who used to take out the milk and used to take our baltis, our thing. And I used to go there. And we used to put our bartans in line, okay? Now, some women used to, if I was looking that side, used to put her bartan in front of me. Instead of fighting, I used to cry and come back home crying. Mama, she did that. So I was always the, what do you call in English? I don't know, a dabu, you know, if you understand.
Sujata, what's dabu?
Dabu is,
She was very quiet, I would say.
Huh.
no, coward.
Hmm.
Not coward, I don't know. You find it out, whatever. Dabu.
Yeah.
But I used to, I didn't have the guts. Gutless I was. I didn't have the guts to even fight that my balti was in line before you, you know. I come crying. What rubbish. So I was like that. And also today also I'm sometimes like that.
Thank you so much for saying that, because, by the way, this is the impression I got specifically going through all your interviews. And for me, which is why I kept harping on this point of the dichotomy, the duality, because many times people think we're bold, but we're actually fighting demons inside, but coming out stronger. And we just lay ourselves bare there, I guess. So lovely answer. And somebody else, Chandra Prabha Gulecha, I think, has asked advice to child artists, child models. I'm sure the lady has a child coming up in their house who wants to act, or so what's the advice you would give them?
I don't think children should do professional acting. They can do it in their school, college, but it's not good. I would not like my child to do that.
Okay, so tell me, you acted in Malayalam, I saw. I mean, I really didn't know you had been a writer, okay? That was only because I got into interviewing you and knowing those things. You've done Malayalam films. Do you think there's any time a Tamil offer has come, would you be interested? Who are the directors here whom you know?
Yeah, I would definitely, because they are making some very good films, and if a good role will come to me, I'll definitely do it. Yeah, why not? I have done film in Telugu, Oriya, Malayalam, and I did a film with Mohanlal. That was a Tamil film, yeah.
It was a Tamil film? Okay, we'll check it
Yeah.
out. It didn't come up on your filmography though.
I have just posted a picture of me as a nun, and Ramya Krishnan was the main girl in that.
Okay, we'll look it up. That's really nice. We want to see more of you here. And somebody was asking about your favorite song and whether you would sing something for us too. Which music is favorite? Any particular song? Shalini Bokaria asked, and Sujata is also requesting if you can sing a few lines of your favorite song.
My favorite song is an old song, Ab ke baras bhej bhaiya ko babul. Okay, I don't know.
We would love you. I mean, anyway, you're a bindas woman. So which, before I ask you to sing, I'm going to read the line Sujata said. You know, some things work out only in Hindi, she said. And she was kind enough to tell me, like you would say, some things work out only in Tamil, because we do have this thing. So Sujata and me, we have this way when we travel together. There are songs we've identified which are both in Tamil and Hindi, which Rahman or somebody's done. And then she would sing, even Ilayaraja has done that. Chini Kam, that song and all that. So she would do the Hindi lines and I would do the Tamil lines. And so in Hindi, but I'm going to read it. I'm not going to ask her because she'll get it easily. She said, मुझे आपका बिंदासपना बहुत पसंद है. आप कैसे इतना दबंग हो? Right, Suj?
तो मैं बोल रही ना, वो दब्बू मीन्स चूहा. मैं दबंग नहीं हूँ, मैं चूहा हूँ.
चूहा हूँ. Okay. Then, yes. So before I start singing Jhoot Bole Kawa Kata as a response to that unconnected, let me ask you to sing a song, please. Please do that. Like, have you been walking and singing sometimes?
But I'm a little besura, so pardon me. I'll just sing 2 lines.
Yes.
बैरन जवानी ने छीने खिलौने और मेरी गुड़िया चुराए. बाबुल थी मैं तेरे नाज़ों की बाली फिर क्यों हुई मैं पराई, बे तेरे जुग कोई चिट्ठिया ना थी, ना कोई नई हर से आए रे, अब के बरस बीच भैया को बाबुल.
My God! And you said you can't. You said something like Abaswaram something. It is beautiful, and I also realized you were living in that moment. You were true to the lines you sang, and which is why you're getting all these. I can see comments running up in the chat. Lovely song, how emotional. And yes, we could not, like, though I was thinking, let me see what else is written or who else is there. I couldn't take my eyes off you. I think that is your strength. You were just doing what you said. You were being yourself at the same time performing. That duality again is what sets you apart as an actor.
And Gemini, you shouldn't forget.
Ah, there I see it. That's really nice. And yes, I think we have done about, it's 12:05. Duchess, Sujata, the controller here. What do you want to do now? I mean, I had such an interesting session. There are several comments. A lot of people telling you that they love you. You had some more people falling in love with you.
Yes.
I'm sure men still are falling in love with you. I have one more question, please.
I have never seen anybody who men, women fall in love with me more than men. I'm okay with that.
Who says? My husband actually came and told me, Neena Gupta, he had something very nice to say, which is, that's genuine appreciation of being a woman, the kind of woman, and seeing the vulnerability and the strength. So it's nice. Yes, Sujata.
Yes.
You want to ask something? And Neena ji, would you like to say something, because of the 133 people in the conversation now, we have a bunch of about, let's say, 8 to 10 men, including a couple of directors, a cinematographer, somebody who's actually worked in Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak in the camera department. Some of them are FTI graduates, and we're having a bunch of women, housewives, as colorful as you are. Anything else you would personally like to tell them?
I don't know. I am also learning from you all every day. I learn from everyone every single minute, and I think we should not stop this learning business, whether it's about food or life or strength or fitness. I would like to say that what has helped me in life, in life, even though I've had many problems, which all of us have, I feel yoga is a very important thing, which I do every day in the morning, because I've been doing since my childhood, and walking in the evening. I think these two things have made my life much better. For yoga because of stretching and mental peace, and walking for the body and fresh air, and a finale to the day. So, you need to look forward to things. So I, like here in Mukteshwar in COVID lockdown, I look forward to my evening walk from the morning. Acha, I'll wear this. Acha, I'll get this from Bombay. This tights I'll get from. So I'm saying you can find out things to enjoy, even if there is nothing. I don't know what more to say.
Yes, that's pretty motivational enough, and to go through a lockdown which we don't know how long it's going to be, and I think we can all look at beauty in everything around us, work on interpersonal relationships. Yes, Sujata, I am done with this little conversation, but look forward to knowing her more and more, the Ketaki from the Doordarshan.
Yes.
Okay, and it was lovely to talk to you. You asked some very interesting questions, actually.
Thank you, Ms. Neena. Thank you very much. I think being an actor, I think I appreciate you a lot more because this whole thing of not finding the right roles for the real kind of person you are, that also, you redefined all those things. Thanks, Sujata.
Thank you so much, all of you.
Yes, thank you so much, Neena ji. You are extremely, extremely fabulous. And I think every member of us is in love with you, with all the messages. Neena, would you like to say something before Anu concludes? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I will start with Shailaja saying, I think Shailaja's first interview was with Mammootty in 1994, Shaila,
Yes,
wasn't it?
yes, yes.
Yes, I've also been reading up about you, okay?
Thanks.
So I think you've come, I mean, I've seen you over the years moderating so many sessions, but I really think this has been your best, babe, best one.
Thank you. Thanks.
Oh,
Thanks,
good.
I think, and coming back, because you asked such honest questions and it was not like trying to judge anyone, but really wanted to know the person. I think that has come across really well. And Neena ji, thank you so much. I think my respect has gone up that much more. Thank you so much for this very honest, very beautiful morning. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. All of you.
Thank you बोलना था.
Anu Agarwal, could you please?
Yeah, before Anu says that, I just have a request to Ms. Neena. Can you just go through the comments in the chat as you listen to our Anu Agarwal, because some interesting stuff written for you there. A lot of our members are commenting there. They've all been in. So yes, Anu Agarwal, sorry for interrupting.
Yeah. Okay. Neena ji, I want to see you. So, Neena ji, before I go to my formal cues, I want to say that I'm a real fan of you. Not for the fact that you're an independent and strong woman, but for the fact your frankness and your simplicity in the way you express yourself. And also आपकी सादगी दिल को छू जाती है सच्ची में, चाहे वो आपका पहनावा है कि आपकी एक्टिंग है कि आपके बोल हैं, like you are just like one of us. I feel when I look at your movies or whatever, like, you know, I relate so much to you. And also the fact that you said your relationship with your daughter, I think I also shared my clothes and my shoes with her. So, you know, I felt very happy to hear that. So my daughter is 35 now. And so we shared everything. In fact, she'll send me all her westerns. She'll say, Mom, these are all for you, are finished. And I sent her all my Indians. Okay, until you can wear them.
Yeah.
It was really beautiful listening to you. I was really mesmerized, and I think so are all the members. And we will really wait to see you in person with us at the Duchess Club in Savera in Chennai.
Sure.
Coming back,
Yeah, definitely.
So coming back to the formal.
Anu ji, Hindi में ही बात करो, हमको भी पास मालूम हो रहा है.
I wanted to talk because Neena ji is so used to talking in Hindi, so I was waiting to say my sentences in Hindi, but I think I've done with that now.
And we have Anu Sachdev wants to say something. Anu?
Yes, Neena ji, thank you so much. It was a privilege listening to you. I admire your honesty, and I really hope I've learned so much today from you, Neena ji. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Rati, would you like to say something, Rati?
Yes, 1 minute. Where am I? Yeah.
Yes, you're there.
Thank you so much, Neena. It was wonderful listening to you, and I'm sure it was like you spoke straight from the heart. And thank you so much for being with all of us here from the Duchess Club.
Thank you.
To see you.
And
we
one
hope
more
to
thing,
see
Neena
you in Madras soon.
Neena ji, another thing. I tried the carrot cake and your pizza, which I was following on your Insta.
Okay. Wasn't the pizza nice?
Delicious.
And healthy.
Yes.
Roti pizza.
Yeah, the roti pizza, right?
No cheese.
No cheese, yeah, the paneer one.
यही आपकी बातें पसंद आती हैं नीना जी.
Exactly.
You're so frank, and you're so, like, you know, you're really simple at heart. Like that is what is, I think, required today to be. just to spread love. So now to the formal thank you.
बहुत हो गया thank you.
नहीं,
बहुत
नहीं.
thank you हो गया.
We're waiting for
बहुत
you.
thank you हो
We're
गया.
waiting for you to come to Chennai.
Yeah, sure.
ये फॉर्मल तो बोलना ही पड़ेगा मेरे को ना, क्योंकि हमारे मेंबर्स भी हैं ना वहाँ.
नहीं, मेंबर्स ने सब देख लिया कि मैं भी थैंक यू कर रही हूँ, आप भी थैंक यू कर रहे हैं. तो
Can we take, Anu, can we take some screenshots also? Everybody
Ah,
can
do
switch on your
that.
videos now, please. All of you switch on your videos. And
Okay.
thank you for keeping your videos off, because it really helps in the quality of the Zoom.
yeah, yeah.
And
Yeah,
Shailaja, thank you so much for taking us this session. It was mesmerizing.
yes,
It
Shailaja.
was mesmerizing.
You can unmute yourself, Shailaja. Please unmute.
Thank you. Pleasure. Yeah.
Can we take pictures, please? Everybody look into the screen. Yes.
We have 5 screens, Sujata, so we need
Yes,
to do
I
5
have
shots.
to take all 5. Yes. 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 Next screen. Come on, ladies. Yes, the third screen. People have not switched on the video.
Yeah, the third screen. Parita, you're blurred. So
Oh,
many of
let's
you.
see.
Please,
Everybody-
Naina Punjabi.
Parita is totally blurred.
Naina Punjabi is the person who I think saw Neena ji in
Yeah.
Tipu Sultan shooting.
Ah, okay.
She had come there and she remembers you with Masaba there. She had come to see you there, Naina Punjabi. I think. Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Vaijayanti, Kala, yeah.
Yes.
Videos on, please. Ram,
They haven't switched on their videos. All of them switched
especially
on.
the men, come on.
Yeah. I think they're all hiding.
Yeah, they're like, when they think it's Duchess Club, they go hiding. Naga is still showing some nice artwork by an artist. Naga, let's see you, Naga. Victor.
Done, I think. Done.
Okay. Thank
We
you.
are done. I think we are done.
Okay. Thank you so much again and again and again. It was very, very interesting. And
Thank you
see you
so much.
sometime. Yeah.
Yes, when you come to Chennai, we'll definitely would love to have you.
Yeah.
We'll follow you on Insta. Are you active in any other social media like you are on Insta? Does it get posted in Facebook?
Not much. Twitter very little and Facebook very little. Not much.
Okay, we'll see you there.
Yeah.
Vanakkam and thank you.
Welcome and thank you. Okay, I have to do what now?
Leave.
I have to leave. I have to leave.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Hey, Suj.
Yeah. Hi.
Child, you were so
Super
good,
control as
child.
usual. Thanks.
You are
Thanks.
so well.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
Thanks, Jati. Thanks, Anu.
Thanks so much.
Thanks for all the effort, Anu, Sujata, and the whole lot of you.
Shaila, my
Yeah.
formal sentence, thank you sentence for you to got left only. She stopped me.
अरे यार अभी बोला
Say it. Anu, say it.
Because you were talking other things, Anu Agarwal.
Because I wanted something in English. I wanted to talk something in Hindi. She's so passionate about it.
Yes.
I wanted to
Yes,
say
yes,
feelings,
yeah.
You have not. Good meeting. Videos are not getting fixed.
Our videos are still muted.
If you have any fever, anything, you must tell me.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Do you know the movie name?
Our videos are still muted.
I'm trying to switch it on, but you all have to go ahead and switch it on. I asked everybody to.
I have tried. We have tried so many times. The host was
You were too good.
Sujata, do you know the movie?
Shailaja, you are too good. Thank you, D5. Love this meeting.
Thank you. Lovely meeting. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Lovely meeting. आज का सेशन बेहद अच्छा था, बहुत ही प्यारा था. शुक्रिया दर्शक.
Able to do it? Is it there, Allegra?
Not everybody's video.
Okay.
I
You
can take
open
another.
my black bag over there. I mean my